The basic structure of a computer. Which are the components which constitute a computer? This topic we are going to take in this video. Before that, let me remind all of you to completely watch all my videos and subscribe also. Let me tell all people who are watching these videos, please do subscribe. The computer is defined as a device capable of accepting data automatically, do a sequence of processes on the data and supplying the results through output devices. Let me tell once again, the computer is a device capable of accepting data automatically, do a sequence of processes on this data and supplying the results. The structure of the computer consists of mainly three parts: input unit, CPU, output unit. The structure of the computer mainly consists of three parts: input unit, CPU, central processing unit, and output unit. The central processing unit, CPU, is again divided into three parts: control unit, memory unit, and arithmetic logic unit. The CPU is again divided into three components: memory unit, arithmetic logic unit, control unit. We will see the different functions of these particular units. Input devices are used to give data into the computer. Data is read through any input device like card reader, magnetic tape reader, magnetic disc reader, console unit with a keyboard, etc. Paper tape reader also is there. Paper media, magnetic media, card punching, and keyboard unit. These are the major input devices. Through the input devices, we give data into the computer. This data is stored in the memory unit. Memory unit is inside the CPU. Memory consists of magnetic cores or semiconductor storage. The instructions and data are stored in the memory unit. Arithmetic unit consists of electronic registers, accumulators, and related circuitry. Arithmetic logic unit is used for doing arithmetic operations: addition, subtraction, division, and multiplication are the arithmetic processes. Circuitry and electronic registers are contained in this. Control unit has circuitry to decode instructions and activate the other units. Control unit decode the computer program instructions given in a language into the machine language or the binary language. The computer understands only the binary language, bits of zeros and ones. The instructions given in another language should be coded into the binary language that the computer will understand. Output units are video terminal, printers, magnetic tape, card punching or paper tape punching. Card, paper tape punching, etc. are old methods. Present methods are keyboard and magnetic media. Set of instructions written by a programmer in any of the languages is decoded into the machine language. That is the first process happening in the computer and is stored in the memory. During this time, data is not stored. After the program is completely stored in the memory, the computer starts executing the instructions one by one in the sequence given in the program. That is, the computer will execute only one instruction at a time. If that instruction tells to read a data, then the control unit activates the proper input device and the computer reads the data into the memory. If the instruction tells to do an arithmetic operation, the control unit activates the arithmetic logic unit and this data is given to the arithmetic logic unit to do the particular computation. If the instruction tells to deviate the sequence into another direction, the computer goes through that set of instructions. Completing that set of instructions, it comes back to the main program. After all the instructions are executed, all the computations are executed, the results are kept in the memory unit, and when the instruction comes to give the result to the output device, the control unit activates the particular output device and the result is outputted to the output device. When the instruction to stop the program comes, the computer stops all the executions and stops all the work related to this program. These are the basic working of the computer. Let me remind all of you to completely watch all my videos and subscribe. We will meet again with another topic in the coming episode.